Good morning students. This is English reader for class 3rd, lesson 3, If I Knew. So this is a chapter based on poems. If I knew. If I knew a box where the smiles are kept, no matter how large the key or strong the bolt, I would try so hard. It would open, I know, for me. So here the poet is saying that if I knew where the smiles are kept, then I would have been spread it. No matter where the key is of that box where the smiles are kept. Then over the land and sea broadcast, I would scatter the smiles to play, that the children's faces might hold them fast for many and many a day. So the poet says that if he knew where the smiles were kept, he would scatter the smiles all over the world. He would spread that smile so that everyone would be smiling. Nobody will facing any kind of tension, anger, worried in their life. Everyone should smile in their own way. If I knew a box that was large enough to hold all the frowns I need, I would gather them, everyone, from nursery, school and street. So the poet is saying that if he knew that there is a box in which all the frowns, anger, frustration, tension, worriedness that can be kept in that box, so I would gather from my childhood, from nursery class, school and all the life that is going on. So I would gather them, collect them all and put it in that box. Then folding and holding, I would pack them in. So I would pack them in that box and turn the monster key and hire a giant to drop the box to the depths of the deep, deep sea. He also adds that if he knew about a box which could hold all the frowns, he put all the frowns, all that kind of tension into that box and throw it into the deep sea so that nobody can collect that box, the box which is full of tension, worried, seriousness, anger, etc. So everyone should smile always and be happy. Word meaning: to tell a lot of people about something, that is broadcast. The deepest part of something, like sea, depth. Angry, serious or worried expressions on a person's face that cause lines on the forehead, frown. To carry something in one's hands, arms, etc. Hold. Usually large, monster. Used to say that something is not important matter. A public road in city or town that has house and building on one side or both sides. Street. Answer the question: how does the poet want to give smiles to the children? So there are 4 ways. First, find the box. Second, open the lock. Third, scatter the smiles. And fourth, children smile. So you have to write this answer in order. How does the poet plan to get rid of all the frowns? The poet planned by putting them in a box and after locking it, hiring a giant throw it in the deep, deep sea. Then folding and holding, I would pack them in. Why does the poet say this? The poet said this because he wanted to put all the frowns in the box. Mention any one thing you liked in the poem. I like the most in the poem is the desire of the poet to spread smile all around. Write 2 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. He, me, play, they. Rhyming words where the pronunciation of a particular word is, the sound is same. Opposite: large, small, hard, soft, open, close, fast, slow, day, night, deep, shallow. Prepositions. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in the sentence. Example: above, under, on, in, etc. So on the basis of preposition we have exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. The elephant is sitting dash the sofa on. It is sitting dash the mouse and the cat between. It is peeping dash the door from. It has now come out and is hiding dash the table under. It is climbing dash the ladder up. It is now sitting dash the box in. Assignment, homework. Draw 2 faces, one with the smile and the other with a frown. So from your book, this is the assignment. You have to draw 2 pictures, one with the smile and one with a frown, that is angry or tensed, etc. Which one do you like the most and why? And with these 2 pictures, which one do you like the most and why? You have to write the reason. And write the poem in homework copy in a good handwriting and you have to learn it. So you have to copy down the poem in your homework copy in a good handwriting and learn it. Thank you.